want to show you how to play Beauty and the Beast. If you want the letter notes for that, you go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with the introduction. The introduction, we're going to have a E flat ninth chord. See, E flat 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So we're going to have a G and an F and a B flat in there right here to give it that ninth sound. But we're going to play in the bass, we're going to have E flat, B flat, E flat, open fifth, E flat, B flat, E flat. We start off in the key of E flat, and then we go into the key of F. We modulate, nice little common tone modulation into the key of F. I'll show you that. But we'll go E flat, B flat, E flat, and then we come up here and play an E flat, A flat, B flat. So we've got that suspended A flat over an E flat chord there. So we go. Now in the right hand, we're going to have F, G, B flat. Nice lush sound right there. And then we move up an octave and go to F, G, B flat, E flat. When we hit that E flat, we're going to hit E flat, B flat, A flat, B flat in the left hand. So the left hand's going to go. Now the right hand's going to play. So we're going to go F, G, B flat, E flat, B flat. And then instead of coming all the way back down here for the F, G, B flat, we'll play it right here. And then we play G, A flat, F, G, E flat, B flat. And then we do it again. And then we start the melody. And I'll show you the melody. The melody is going to start off on this low G. So if we put it together slowly, you can see it. Same thing in the left hand. We do that. But this time when we hit the E flat, we're going to play the G with it. And then we come up here and hit the same thing. So we're going to go. We go back to that F, G, B flat. And we just play straight. E flat, B flat, E flat. And then I'm going to give you the melody now. Now the melody is G, B flat, D, E flat, A flat. G, B flat, D, E flat, F. E flat. Then we've got E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat. B flat, A flat, G, F, E flat. A flat, G, F, E flat, B flat. And we do it again. Here we go, G, F, G, B flat, E flat, E flat, D, E flat, G, A flat, G, A flat, F, G, E flat. That's the verse. Now the chorus is E flat, takes off on that E flat, E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, C, D, E flat, C, B flat. Now there's a little bit of an interlude there. The piano goes on, so they play. Then there's a little brief pause. Then we go back to the C, C, D, E flat, C, B flat. Then we do it again. And then we have E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, B flat, A flat, G, F, E flat, E flat, F, G, E flat, F. And that's where we do this. We move up to the key of F from the key of E flat, so everything just takes up a step. It's a little bit easier in the key of F, but it sounds real rich in the key of E flat. So now if we take that with the bass there for that accompanies that melody is E flat, B flat, E flat, B flat, D and F. Now with the A flat in the melody, you've got a B flat 7 there. Same thing here with the D in the melody. You've got an E flat 7 in there. And then we go to the B flat. And we go back up an octave for that fill. The fill is going to be C, D, D, E flat, and then we go back to this F, G, B flat. down to the G, back up to the C, now we go to a G minor. We got the B flat here, so we go a G minor with a B flat and the D. There's your G minor, white, black, white, G, B flat, D. Then we go to an A flat chord. Now the A flat chord is black, white, black. A flat, C, and E flat right there. And we end with a B flat chord. B flat in the right hand and a B flat right there, D, F. B flat is unique. It's a black, white, white major chord right there. So now I'm going to play that much, that very slowly so that you can see it all and see how it goes together. With a little riff, G, A flat, G, and then we're back into the second verse. Now one trick that you can get for inflection on a couple of those melodic lines, if you hit the bottom note heavy, you can lighten up as you go up. And then you can bring it up as you go down. So you can bring the volume up, bring the intensity up as you move down, and lighten it up as you go up. It sounds kind of nice. Now the second verse is the same thing, pretty much. But this changes. So you got G, F, F, E flat, and then back to here's where that changes. The melody changes right there. And I go to an E flat chord with the E flat in the middle. Your E flat chord is E flat, G, B flat, and I'm putting the B flat on the bottom because I've got B flat, D, and F. So all I got to do is change the D and the F to the E flat and the G, and I've got the E flat chord. So now here we've got an F minor. So I've got the A flat here, the F minor is F, A flat, C, and all I'm going to play in the left hand is F and the C and the F. And then back up to... So we're going to go G, A flat, F, G, E flat, and the left hand is going to have a B flat, D and F. Then we got the open fifth E flat. And then finish it out with just walk it up, B flat, E flat, F, G, and B flat. And then we set the stage for the chorus with this B flat chord, B flat, D, and F. And then your right hand comes in on an E flat and go to a G minor. Now for the chorus, you're going to walk back and forth between G minor and A flat major. Da da dee da da. Da dee da, da 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 dee. Now here we're going to switch to a da 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 da, C minor, C minor, C, E flat, G, white, black, white. So the chorus, very slowly, two notes there. You don't have to, but I got an E flat and an A flat right there. It just sounds a little richer. There's your C minor. So see, as I go up, I just lift it off like it becomes airy, and then get a little heavier as you go down. And so there we go to a D flat major chord, D flat, F, A flat, and we're we're going to use this F to modulate to F. And we go down to the E flat, F, F. So once we get on that F, the ear takes over that F, and we get the F down here. Now we've got a double octave F right there. Now, so we'll play the melody in F is going to be A, C, E, F, B flat. And that fill is going to be G, A, B flat, G and A. Back to the A, C, E, F, G. Same fill, G, A, B flat, G and A. So you've got a, so you basically with that G, you turn this into a ninth chord. You get that ninth sound right there. So the F is the just second right above the F right there. And then the melody goes on with F, G, A, B flat, C. Right back down, C, B flat, A, G, F. See, both keys, that's what this melody does. It goes straight up the scale, E flat, then right straight back down the scale. And then it changes. But here we are going straight up the F scale. F, G, A, B flat, C, C, B flat, A, G, F, B flat, A, G, F, C. And then our fill is A, G, G, F, and this time I'm going to put a G, A, C right there. Instead of just the G, A, we'll add that C into it there. So as we go up right here, those F's come together. F, G, A, B flat, C. We go to A minor in the bass. A, C, E, all white notes. And then coming down, going to a B flat, but instead of playing the chord, we're just going to go B flat, extend it, then hit the chord. B flat, so B flat, A, G, F, cross over to a C, and hit the C chord in the left hand C chord. And then we got this fill A, G, G, F, and then I put this right in there, G, A, C. This is going to be tricky here because you got an F again, F, F, C and F, and then you're going to the C, then F, C, F, C, E, G, and then we're going to an F chord with the F in the middle to a B flat chord. So let me play that for you right there. We've got we'll start on that B flat. Come down to the A, and when you go to this B flat, cross over, see you come over, you just cross to that index finger right there, and then you've got the C and the E and G, and so we've got a C7, 1, 3, 5, 7, that B flat is the 7th, back down, and then we go right to the F chord. We're going to have a B flat in the bass. We're going to go to the F chord, to the B flat, D and F, then walk it down. A passes down to G minor, and then we have a C in the F. See, you've got F's. So we're going to go C in the F, E, F. So we've got the G minor, and then you got to be ready to play that E. And then just hit this G, A, C, walk the bass down, and then I'm going to jump up an octave. Go real close harmony. So take this D and go up an octave to the D. We've got the D minor, actually there's a D minor chord with a 7th on there. See, we've got the D, 1, 3, 5, 7. D minor is all white notes, so that's what we've got. And jump up here for the... Now your right hand's going to be on the tag. Your right hand's going to be A, G, A, C, F, F, E, F, A, B flat. Then we're going to go A, B flat, G, hold it, and hold back on the A to the F. And then I'll show you the arpeggio. So when we get into that, we've got... Hit that twice. And you're kind of slowing down right there. And this is an open fifth sound with a B flat to the F. And then do it again. Now we've got the G minor sound with that G, B flat. And then we go to a C and a B flat to give that C7. And here's your arpeggio. Ends with an F arpeggio. Now the F arpeggio, these Fs are going to go together, and then you're going to have F, C, F, and then on the right hand A, C, F, A, C, F, and then hit this GAC up here. 3 times, move up to this octave, hit the open fifth, F, C, and then jump up an octave here and hit F, A, G, F, A. Now let me play that tag for you so that you can see it all together. Let's start from just before the tag where we've got that F chord. There's that C and the F. There you have it, Beauty and the Beast. It's a beautiful song. I hope you enjoy playing it.